A doctor billed Medicare for a Botox injection on a patient who was sitting in federal prison at the time. She wasn't even in the room. Nobody was. Meet Dr. Violetta Mailyan, 45, of Glendale, California. She ran Healthy Way Medical Center, marketed as a facial aesthetic practice. And according to federal data, Medicare paid her more for Botox than any other doctor in the entire country. Medicare only pays for Botox with a real medical reason, like chronic migraines. So Mailyan fabricated medical records, making healthy patients look like migraine sufferers on paper. Then she billed for injections on dates she was traveling internationally, on dates her clinic was closed, and on dates her supposed patients weren't even in the country. Where did the money go? Vacations to Cabo, Maui, Las Vegas, New York. A 17th century crossbow worth about $14,000. And a painting of a Bavarian crown prince. This wasn't a doctor treating migraines. This was a doctor funding a lifestyle. Over 4 years, Mailyan billed $24 million for Botox alone, 6 times more than the next highest group of providers. And every one of them was a neurologist. In total, prosecutors say she submitted $45 million in false claims and collected $33 million of it. When federal investigators subpoenaed her records, Mailyan didn't hand over the truth. She submitted falsified documents, trying to make the fraud disappear on paper. That obstruction became its own set of federal charges. In May 2026, a federal jury convicted Mailyan on 9 counts of wire fraud and 3 counts of obstruction. The jury also approved forfeiture of her luxury vehicles, her bank accounts, and multiple California properties. She's now awaiting sentencing, facing up to 20 years in prison on each wire fraud count alone. Follow the Collapse Files for a new case every week.